Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to discuss what is inheritance and how these inheritance are used in Python. So the inheritance is a very useful and powerful concept of object oriented programming. Using the inheritance concept, we can use the existing features of one class in another class. So we can use the inheritance for the reusability of the code. Whatever the code we written or whatever the variables methods we created in one class, that variables or methods we can use in another class. So it is a feature of reusability of the object oriented programming, and it is achieved using the inheritance. The inheritance is the process of acquiring the properties of one class to the another. As I said, the inheritance, using the inheritance we can acquire the properties of one class into the another class. In inheritance we use the terms like parent class, child class, base class, derived class, superclass and subclass. So we can use the interchangeably words terms parent class, base class and superclass, and the child class, derived class and subclass. These three terms can be used interchangeably. The parent class is the class which provides features to the another class, and this is known as the base class as well as the superclass. The child class is the class which receives the features or properties from another class, and these class are also known as the derived class and subclasses. In the inheritance, the child class acquires the features and properties of the parent class, but the parent class never acquire or access the features from its child class. There are the 5 types of inheritance we can implement in the Python. That is the simple inheritance. It is also called as a single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance and hybrid inheritance. In simple inheritance there are two classes. The one is the parent and second one is the child. So child class can access the properties from the parent class. In case of the multiple inheritance, there are the three we consider. There are three classes. Two are the parent classes and one is the child class. So one child class can acquire or access the properties of one or more than one parent classes. In case of the multi-level inheritance, there is a sequence of classes. So one is a parent class, the one and another class can acquire the properties of that parent class, and that one is the child class, and another new class can acquire the properties of the previous child class as well as a parent class. It is called as a multi-level inheritance. Next one is a hierarchical inheritance. In this inheritance, all types of inheritance are combined. So child classes can acquire the properties of the parent class. In the hybrid inheritance, see here, one is a parent class. There are two child classes. Two child classes acquiring the properties of parent class, and the third child class can acquire the properties of both the parent class as well as the grandparent class. This is the concept of hybrid inheritance.